Something massive is brewing in the world of action cameras, and it's coming straight from DJI, a company that's been redefining the limits of aerial and handheld filmmaking for years. The upcoming DJI Osmo Action 6 is now at the center of a storm of leaks and rumors, and if even half of them are true, this device could completely change the way creators capture their adventures. According to sources, DJI isn't just refining its previous model, it's reinventing it from the inside out. Leaks suggest that the Osmo Action 6 will come with a huge 1-inch sensor, a feature that could instantly set a new standard for image quality in compact cameras. A sensor of that size and a rugged body means dramatically improved low-light performance, richer dynamic range, and cinematic depth. The kind of visuals you'd expect from a professional rig, not something that fits in your pocket. Insiders claim this upgrade will make night scenes cleaner, highlight details more pronounced, and skin tones more natural than ever before. But that's just the beginning. The rumor mill also hints at a jaw-dropping leap in video capabilities, including the possibility of 8K recording at 30 frames per second. Imagine shooting your next mountain ride, dive, or cinematic travel vlog in pure 8K clarity, every droplet, every motion, every flash of sunlight captured with breathtaking precision. On top of that, the Action 6 is rumored to handle 4K at 120 FPS and 1080p at 240 FPS, delivering buttery smooth slow motion that turns ordinary moments into epic sequences. For creators who thrive on adrenaline shots, these numbers aren't just specs, they're storytelling tools. And of course, stabilization has always been DJI's crown jewel. With each generation, their RockSteady technology has evolved. And now, rumors suggest an all-new RockSteady 4.0 system powered by advanced AI algorithms. This could mean stabilization so smart that it predicts movement before it happens, keeping horizons perfectly level even during the most chaotic moments. Whether you're snowboarding, biking through rugged terrain, or running through city streets, your footage will stay impossibly smooth. No gimbal required. Some whispers even suggest that DJI has improved the sensor's rolling shutter handling to make fast movements look cleaner and more natural. The innovation doesn't stop there. One of the most exciting leaks involves something we've never seen before in this category: smartwatch integration. Yes, according to multiple reports, the Osmo Action 6 could connect directly with devices like the Apple Watch or Garmin wearables, letting you control recording, monitor battery life, switch modes, and even view live metrics like speed, heart rate, or elevation directly on your footage. This opens up endless creative possibilities for athletes, travelers, and vloggers who want their camera and smartwatch to work as one ecosystem. Picture going on a mountain trail. Your watch tracks your vitals, your camera captures your movement, and together they build an immersive, data-rich video experience. DJI might also be preparing deeper integration through its Mimo app, making editing and uploading faster than ever, with AI-assisted trimming and instant sharing to platforms like YouTube or TikTok. Storage-wise, rumors indicate the Action 6 may feature 64 GB of internal memory, a first for DJI's Action line, in addition to a micro SD slot for expansion. That's a big relief for creators who've lost shots because of forgotten or corrupted cards. Design leaks suggest a slightly larger and thicker body compared to the Action 4, and that's likely intentional, to house a bigger sensor, improved heat dissipation, and possibly a more powerful battery. Reports hint at a completely redesigned thermal management system, allowing extended 8K recording sessions without overheating, a major pain point for compact cameras in the past. Sources claim DJI's engineers have been testing a new type of graphene-based heat spreader to keep temperatures stable even during long 8K or 4K high frame rate sessions. When it comes to durability, the Action 6 might just be the toughest camera DJI has ever made. The body is rumored to be waterproof up to 18 meters without a case, dustproof, and even more impact-resistant, ideal for extreme weather and underwater use. The front and rear screens may also feature brighter displays with anti-glare coating, making them easier to view under harsh sunlight. DJI might even introduce a wider front display for vloggers and creators who film themselves, offering better framing and real-time color preview. Powering all this will likely be a new generation battery that promises 25% longer runtime than the Action 4. A big deal for adventurers who shoot all day without recharging. Fast charging might also be on the table, with leaks mentioning up to 80% charge in under 20 minutes using USB-C PD 3.0. But let's talk about the real battle: DJI versus GoPro. While GoPro's rumored Hero 13 is expected to focus on AI-assisted features and higher frame rates, DJI seems to be going for raw image quality and ecosystem intelligence. A 1-inch sensor in an action camera would be a massive advantage. It could make GoPro's smaller sensor look dated overnight. If DJI nails the image processing pipeline and keeps the price around the rumored $329 to $399 range, GoPro will have a serious problem on its hands. The rumored launch window? October 2025, right before the holiday season. A smart move to target travelers, vloggers, and sports enthusiasts gearing up for the year's final adventures. That timeline fits perfectly with DJI's product release pattern, so it's one of the more believable details we've heard. And if DJI really launches then, you can expect a marketing storm. Teasers, cinematic trailers, and maybe even some jaw-dropping promo footage filmed entirely on the Action 6 itself. But specs aside, what really excites the tech community is DJI's rumored new color science, reportedly named Cinecolor. This mode is said to deliver flatter color profiles, giving filmmakers room to color grade footage like they would with high-end cinema cameras. Combine that with 10-bit recording and HDR support, and you're looking at footage with insane tonal depth, ready for Netflix-level post-production. The Action 6 might even feature AI scene recognition, automatically adjusting exposure, ISO, and white balance as you move from bright sunlight to low light, all in real time. That means fewer ruined shots and more focus on the moment. DJI's Mimo app is also rumored to get a massive upgrade. Faster wireless transfers, in-app stabilization, AI voice editing, and maybe even real-time background music generation powered by generative AI. Imagine recording your biking adventure and instantly uploading a perfectly edited, music-synced highlight reel right from your phone, no laptop needed. Design leaks show that DJI could be keeping its magnetic mounting system, improving on the versatility that creators already love. Accessories might include a modular mic attachment, LED light add-ons, and new ND filter options that snap on seamlessly. With DJI's growing focus on modular ecosystems, we might even see drone and gimbal-level interconnectivity, where your Action 6 works as a companion camera to your DJI drone, automatically syncing color and metadata for unified footage. Another rumor floating around is that DJI might introduce direct live streaming capabilities at up to 8K through Wi-Fi 6E or 5G tethering, allowing creators to go live with cinematic clarity. Just imagine live streaming a mountain ride in 8K HDR directly from your camera. That's the future we're heading toward. Speaking of innovation, let's not forget how far DJI has come. From the early Osmo Pocket to the Air 3 drone, they've consistently pushed what's possible in compact imaging. And the Action 6 looks like their boldest step yet. It's more than just an upgrade. It's a statement that DJI wants to lead, not follow. Every leak, every specification, every design sketch points toward a device built for both thrill seekers and storytellers, a camera that refuses to compromise between performance and portability. Of course, every rumor needs to be taken with caution. Not all features may make it into the final version. 8K recording could be limited to short bursts. The 1-inch sensor might come with trade-offs in frame rates, and the smartwatch integration could be a premium add-on. But even with half these features confirmed, the Action 6 could dominate the market. So what should we expect next? If DJI sticks to its pattern, we'll likely see teasers or leaks ramping up as we move closer to October. Maybe blurry photos from certification documents, maybe test footage accidentally dropped online. DJI loves playing the mystery game.